In this video, we're going to break down the 4 fundamental pillars of Bubble.io, the no-code development platform. Mastering these pillars, design, database, workflows, and plugins will give you the foundation to build fully functional web and mobile apps without writing a single line of code. The first pillar is design. This is where you structure the interface of your app using Bubble's drag-and-drop editor. From the left panel, you can add buttons, text, images, forms, and other visual elements. Use groups and repeating groups to display dynamic lists, like a catalog of products or a feed of messages. To ensure your app looks great on any device, configure responsive design settings for mobile phones, tablets, and desktops using Bubble's dedicated tab. The second pillar is database configuration. Unlike simple website builders, Bubble gives you a complete backend. You can define data types, which act like categories such as user, order, or item, and then create fields for each type, like name, price, or creation date. By linking your visual elements to this dynamic data, your app can show personalized content based on the current user or context. The third pillar is application logic, handled through workflows. Workflows are essentially the brain of your app. They define how your application reacts to user actions and events. For example, when a user clicks a Sign Up button, a workflow could create a new user account, send a confirmation email, and redirect them to the home page. Workflows let you automate complex processes without any coding. Finally, the fourth pillar is plugins, which extend the functionality of your app. If Bubble doesn't include a native feature you need, plugins can help. You can accept payments with Stripe, integrate AI tools like OpenAI or ChatGPT, or connect to external APIs using the API connector. Plugins allow you to expand your app's capabilities while keeping everything within Bubble's ecosystem. By mastering these 4 pillars, design, database, workflows, and plugins, you'll have all the tools you need to create responsive, dynamic, and scalable apps in Bubble.io. This framework provides a clear roadmap for beginners and advanced users alike, making Bubble a powerful no-code platform for bringing ideas to life.